Friends, alam nyo ba na ang meaning ng VUL is Variable Unit Linked? Right mga friends? The reason it's named like that kasi part ng premium nyo, okay, is invested into a mutual fund. Alright mga friends? Tapos the way you buy a mutual fund is through units. Alright mga friends? Kaya variable unit linked. Okay? Tapos alam naman natin sa mutual fund, no? When you invest in a mutual fund, hindi guaranteed yung ROI, pero ayun na nga. Paano ko sabihin? Kung low risk, low reward. Kung high risk, high reward. Alright mga friends? Most life insurers can let you choose up to siguro mga 2 to 3, okay? Depende sa paano ko explain? Depende kasi sa minimum investment for a fund. Halimbawa, meron kayong 5,000 na premium. Okay, 5,000 yung premium nyo. Tapos, minimum investment ng isang fund is 1,000 pesos. Tapos, you can choose up to 3. Kung 5,000 yung premium nyo, okay, you can choose up to 3. Kasi, mamimit mo yung minimum investment. Kasi, part of your 5,000, tas may 3,000 ka to invest, okay? So, pwede mo lagyan up to 3. Pwede ka maglagay up to 3 funds. So, yun. I hope na gets niyo yung explanation, no? So, basically, ganun, okay, mga friends? Now, doon naman tayo sa paano ko ba? Hindi kasi lahat ng VUL pare-pareho, basically. Yung ibang insurers, parang binabalance sila, investment component as insurance component, siguro mga 50-50. Okay, so, siguro halimbawa, 5,000 rin yung premium nyo. 2,500 dun sa pang-invest, yung other 2,500 para sa insurance coverage. Alright, my friends? Depende na yan paano minamarket ng insurer yung yung VULs nila. Okay? Typically, merong yung balance, meron din yung mas mas oriented towards investment, okay? Tapos, there are a few na mas oriented towards insurance or health or life coverage, basically. Alright, my friends? And, ano ba? Most companies din, I'd say most, di ko masyado na to sa ibang insurers Pero at least dito sa amin sa AIA, okay? For the first up to 3 years, majority ng premium mo is allocated first to the insurance benefits. Alright mga friends? Kasi it takes, paano ko to explain? It takes time to like build the money or build the amount. Kasi may pinapromise kaming death benefit, okay? And it takes siguro 2-3 years, okay? It takes time first to be able to like ascertain yung death benefit, okay, na pinapromise namin. So, na yun, parang pag na-kompleto na yun, the rest of the years, invest ka na invest, okay? Tapos, a part of the premium rin, pa rin sa maintenance of your insurance benefits, okay? That's how I understand it, okay? Pero don't take my word for it, okay? Alright? Now, speaking of premium, pag hindi mo nabayaran yun, your missed premiums will be paid by the account value. Alright mga friends, pag naubos ng account value nyo, kasi yung VUL is still a life insurance at its core, a life insurance plan at its, yun yung essence niya So, uunahin talaga nito yung insurance benefits. So, sayang naman, di ba mga friends, na slowly makakain yung naiipon nyo, okay? So, hopefully, you keep on paying or mas maging consistent kayo, okay? Hanggang matapos yung plan. Tapos, eventually, pag natapos yung plan, pwede ka rin mag-top up. Okay, mga friends? May minimum amount na na for each mutual fund, okay? Gaya nga nung sinabi ko kanina, is the same minimum amount, okay? And, yeah. And you can top up anytime you want. Alright, my friends? Sir ba ako? Withdrawing all the amount in your account value will terminate the plan. Okay? So, dito, yun yung pinag-uusapan natin. No? Pag ma-terminate yung plan. Okay? So, aside from, i-withdraw nyo lahat ng investment nyo. Pag na-claim na yung death benefit, okay? Pag namatay yung insured, tapos na bigay na yung death benefit, okay? Tapos na yung plan, nag-terminate na yung plan. Now, speaking of the death benefit, mga friends, typically, para ko to-explain. Either sa death benefit or yung account value, alin doon yung mas malaki, yun yung magiging death benefit. Or what I mean is, sum assured pala. Either yung sum assured, okay, na pre-namis namin, or yung investment component or account value, yun yung ibibigay namin na death benefit. Alright mga friends, shucks, may nakalimutan ako about death benefit eh. Ano yun? Shucks, baka hindi ko na maalala. Baka gawin ko na lang caption, idadagdag ko na lang to sa caption. Alright mga friends, so yun lang, that is how a VUL works, no? So, part of your money is invested into a mutual fund, okay? Tapos, may minimum amount kayong fund, okay? Tapos of course, ina-assess naman kayo sa risk tolerance kung aling fund ba yung bagay sa inyo. Right, my friends? And then, you can top up anytime, okay? So, yung top up is yung additional investment. That is purely for investment purposes lang yun. Right, my friends? So, yun lang. That is how VUL works, no? I hope may na-learn kayo, mga friends, okay? And as always, no? Thank you for watching talaga. Next time ulit,